Hey guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. I'm so excited to show you guys how I turned this cap into a cute bandana situation hat. I don't know what we call it, but I started off by linting this Hey Dude cap that I got from a PR event. If you guys don't know, I am a fashion stylist and I get given so many things. So I was like, this is the perfect time to basically do a mini collab or just to, you know, spice things up to this hat. And I was just literally using a needle and thread, guys, because honestly, I'm so scared of getting an E500 or E3 error that I just don't chance it. But then I did eventually. If you guys stay tuned to the full DIY of this, I did eventually just use my sewing machine because it was so much easier. But yes, I was using bandanas. I used about 10 bandanas and I wanted to connect the bandanas to the center point of the hat and literally sew it down. I was literally using the guidance from the cap. That's the best thing. The best way to do this DIY is just to use what you've been given and follow that through. So once I had realized where the guidelines are, I literally either just pinned the bandana onto the cap and then sewed it down, and I'll continue doing that. And then I increased the length by just adding extra bandanas as I was going. It was a tricky DIY, I'm not gonna lie, but it was also very, very fun to do. So this part is completely up to you, but I added an extra bandana on one side and another on the other, and then I just took it to my sewing machine because I just thought my sewing machine would do a faster job. And please don't watch me, guys, I was just midst you know, doing my home reno and trying to get this DIY out to you guys. But yeah, I just took it to the sewing machine, and that's literally how I made this look. If you're interested in shooting this look, drop me a message over on Made by Nale or Style by Nale. This look is open for loans. Yeah, or if you'd like to buy it off me, also drop me a message and I will make you a custom one. Mwah, and see you in my next video.
Bandana